Here's how to clear all cache and junk for your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Let's go. Now, the first thing you want to do is open your run command. You can go ahead and press Windows plus R at the same time on your keyboard, or you go head over to the search bar and type in RUN and open your run command. Go ahead and open it up in here. The next thing you're going to do is type the word prefetch right here on the open command. Just go ahead and type prefetch just like that, and then go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard. That is going to open this folder. If you get the admin prompt pop up when you press enter, go ahead and allow it to run. And then once you're inside this folder, I want you to select all the files in here. You could just press an empty space and then hit Ctrl A on your keyboard. It's going to select everything, and then just go ahead and press delete. That is going to delete all your prefetch files. You could just go ahead and delete all of them. Just go ahead and press try again if it's not letting you, and try again one more time. And if you have to skip one or two files, that's fine, but as long as you delete most of them, you are good. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next step. This time we're going to open the run command again. You already know how to open it. Windows plus R, or head over to search and search for run. And then this time we're going to type in temp, and then we're going to hit OK. That is going to give you this prompt again. Just go ahead and allow it to run. That is going to put you right here, where we're going to delete the files in this folder as well. You could press Ctrl A and then press delete to delete all the files. Now we're going to open the run command one more time, and this time instead of opening the temp folder, we're going to put a percentage sign right in front of it. You could press shift and 5 at the same time right in front of it, and then shift and 5 at the end to put a percentage sign right at the end of temp. So it should look just like this for you, and then you're going to press OK. That is going to open this folder, and we're going to delete everything from here as well. So press Ctrl A to select all the files, and then delete to delete all the files from here. And like earlier, if there's a file that is not deleted, you could go ahead and try it again, and if it's still not deleting, you could just skip that for now. Now after that, we're going to open our run command one more time, and this time we're going to type the following. We're going to type clean mgr, just like that, this word right here, right? Go ahead and type that and hit OK. That is going to open this in here. If it makes you select a drive, just select the drive where you have installed Windows. Usually it's your C drive, and then in here you don't have to select all of it unless you want to. Just make sure you read through the stuff that you're going to delete in here, the cache that you're going to delete in here. And something that I do recommend selecting is your recycle bin on top of what's already selected, and then you're going to press where it says clean up system files. Give it a couple seconds, and then after that go ahead and press OK, and then after that go ahead and press OK. Press delete files just to delete all the leftover files. And now we have cleared most of the cache in our computer, but one last step that we're going to do is head over to search, type in recycle bin, and then you're going to go ahead and open your recycle bin app, and in here you're going to press on these three dots right here, and you're going to press where it says empty recycle bin. Just go ahead and empty out the recycle bin, which is going to delete everything that you don't need and that we just deleted earlier from our recycle bin, thus leaving our computer with a clear cache and all the junk removed. After we finish emptying out the recycle bin, you could see that now you have probably more space on your PC, more free space. Something else that I recommend doing is going through your downloads and your documents folder and getting rid of whatever you don't need anymore in there. And that is it, guys, how to clear cache and junk from Windows 11 and Windows 10. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.